Yes. Fun food factory, factory food. Why? Fun food factory, factory food. Right. Fun food factory, factory food. Fun food factory, factory food. All right. You're here with your boy, Knowledge, on Fun Food Factory, Factory Food Fun. So it's Fun Food Factory. That's the name of the channel. And today we have Bad Pana Mango Challenge. We know this all like bad pan, where mango season just start. In Jamaica, they call them here common mango. But you know, so me no play with mango. Mango is my favorite fruit. And today we are at day 6 with the 7-day vegan challenge. I'm going to show you, say, when we wash mango, all mangoes. So I'm just gonna eat this one skin to let you see it's high in vitamin A. I'm not gonna eat all of them skin today, no people. Cause that not gonna allow me to eat enough. You can imagine in the glycesis when me I eat one bad pan of mango in front of one people. Boy, me I tell them, I can't wait for mango run through my nose. There's one thing me love more than mango, and that is more mango. If me have a time, me suck them a seed there so till they white. But guess what now? We have too much mango and now feel that. Why? We not drink coffee, tea, mango time, you see? In the height of the mango crop, when the fruits in my wire run, ripe and chop, wash up and turn them. Yo! We don't need no breakfast. All we want to just mango, mango, mango. So these mango are called stringy. The one where they say each up in a foul teeth. You see, it carry a lot of string. But what we do not know as Jamaican, most of us say we don't like this mango. But what this mango do, it's high in fiber. That means it increase laxativity. That means it make your doo-doo free. Yeah, me people. Yeah, when the juice are run down fire, they do that. Next! You can imagine when the season come in, good man, just the season just starting up. They wanna come like a bulk syrup where Oliver Samuel talk about, too sweet to be. Next! Well, my fun food fracture people, boy, me I tell you, A mango you name number. Mango in Jamaica they call it number. Now try it. Normally it's the top flesh is sweet and when you go to the seed it becomes sour. Mmm. 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 High in vitamin A and vitamin C. Mmm. 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 We not drink coffee, tea, mango time, Kiro nice it maybe, mango, hey mango time, inna the height of the mango crop, when the fruit them a ripe on top, wash up pot, turn them down, Louis Bennett on, and the juice, people, and juice are run on by you, I feel pretty from on your so, this is how Jamaican eat mango. Mmm. Mmm. Fun food, factory food. Mmm. 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 Next. Mmm. Is this what they were craving like me? When you peel the skin, you can't dash it, you have to run your teeth punch up. Mmm. 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 Who did account? Who know how much we got? Nobody did account. Alright, that look like about 6. Half dozen. Next! Next! Oh yeah. Why? It's the greetings for the seasons, man. Oh, what we're coming up next with is cashew wine with marijuana sticks and also, oh, that is cashew wine with marijuana sticks and Noni wine with marijuana sticks. And we're gonna cheers and have some wine today. Yes. Next. Next. Some people go say, oh, me and them so fast. A mango. Me can't go slow. Normally, some of them are carry one and two worm. So they say best thing in a Jamaica. When you name them, they make sure you turn off your light. Cause you can't bother with this tapping. You need no brakes, no need in a them. Yeah. You understand? Next. Next. How much me gone here now? Oh, enough. Yes. They want to scratch out the way. So the thing with these mango, when you're done with them, you don't need to do no floss. Because these mango make you put it to a perfect flossing for who like to floss their tooth or teeth. So I'm getting nutrients, I'm flossing, plus food is information, this fruit let me be, then just make me happy. Next. By the way, where do I got this mango from? My route that I walk every morning. or every grand rise. Um, I have friends on the road who have the trees right at their gate. I just walk in there and say, "Can I get some of your mango?" Of course. Next. 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 I'm looking for the mellow. You know, you want them to come like Mellow FM, Mellow. I want them, my belly, man, my belly, I feel full. I want them sitting around with me. I wonder if me have worms. Well, when you have worms in Jamaica, your mother would have said, uh, you eat too much on a worm, you have become like a some worm no want to install in on me. I want to make sure I lose my belt. I want if my belt me feel lose. Oh, my belly afford. People, I go to see the one here on top right there so. Come in and know what they mean. Come like me need some mango training. Normally when me go on bad pan then me stop right there so. Me don't know me I eat feel like a mango me I feel I must show me must consume too much water fluid this morning. Mmm. 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 Next, you know here say fit up. You know here. Oh, I forgot to say the last one. Me say me go eat and rest. Alright. So let me just wash off my hand. You can do it like Jamaican style, wash off your hand and wipe off your mouth. Nice. And now we go drink like a wine. So this wine is I juice the cashew and leave the fruit. And I put the fruit in one of the crackle buckle container. Yeah, they have red label wine, but on a wine in it. Yes, a wine, but a homemade wine. And what I do, I throw alkaline water inside. Yeah, that's the one that I store from my tongue that came naturally from the rain. I may had marijuana sticks to it. And I leave it. This is doing about 8 months now. Likewise, this I drink before the 8 months. I taste it to see how pure it was. About 5 months. Yeah, and then but I'm sure this is ready now. So we're gonna test it. Woo! You hear that nice? That's yeah. Take your time, boy. It's wine. Take your time. Cheers. Ta-da! Bing! That taste is rich. I'm just gonna drink it all off for you. Cheers again. Ping! Refreshing! Alright, so next, noni and marijuana sticks. Woo, that makes that sound again. Just a little. Don't overdo it. Fun food, factory food. Why? Alright. Cheers once more. Bing! My. Oh yeah. This is what is riches, my fun food factory audience. I must say thank you for viewing my channel, and now you see my 6th day of my 7-day vegan challenge. And all we do on Fun Food Factory is just to entertain awesome, authentic Jamaican fruits. Foods that will lift your vibration, foods that are information, because the theme for this 7-day vegan challenge was food is information. Food make you happy and food make you sad. The ones that are dead food make you feel dead. The ones that are alive and wholesome make you feel lifted and high in vibration, happy, vibrant. So, Fun Food Factory food. Boy! See you on day 7. It's coming up. Thank you for watching until this. And have a super fantastic Fun Food Factory food. Why? Fun Food Factory food. Why? Fun Food Factory food. Fun Food Factory food. Why?